Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad that you're here. Please, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be sharing with you all what I made for my parents when they came last week. Alhamdulillah for my parents. I'm so happy they are not far from me. Can always see them. It's a blessing. Alhamdulillah. I love them so much. They mean everything to me. Kai, Alhamdulillah. Anyways, that's my lamb shank, the nawanki with a white vinegar. And then I went in with a lot of seasonings and spices. What I'm going to do is I'll write down everything you need, the spices and seasonings, the nasa, down below. So do check that. And then and then make sure you mix it really well. You know, if you're going to use pressure cooker, you have to add a little bit more seasonings. If you're going to use it on the stove, just add a lot of more water. That's pretty much it. Throw it in the pressure cooker. 30 minutes later, that is my, I'm going to throw them in the oven, for like 30 minutes. I added some Maggi, just a little bit. And then I used the whole lamb stock because that is the secret to a delicious rice. Let me tell you that. All this Somali rice, if you had it before, that's just their secret. Is the stock. Any like chicken, beef, whatever stock you have, even vegetable will get the job done. And then I'm making some semolina masa for my mom because my mom loved masa with me at Toshi, and then dad loved rice and meat. So perfect, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much what I made. I made coconut drink as well. I forgot to share everything when I said everything on the table. That's everyone enjoying the food. Alhamdulillah, I'm so happy. And life and death you karewa in Jibahaushi. So my parents are leaving and that's it. But I'm sure I'll see them next month. I will go home to Colorado, inshallah. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.